Hi everyone, Rainy here, and I'm shutting down my build for the year. Starting to get cold, so I covered it up, and if you notice a little bit of a difference, instead of having a 16-foot high bow house, we had some difficulties with the city. Like something about how close to the road and close to the neighbors. Actually, was partially on the neighbor's property, and the big one, I'm renting. Okay, so they were going to charge the landlord for me building this monster, so I took it down, but I still used the bows on the top, so I really didn't waste anything. All the bows that I had, I used on the top, and all the 2x6s, the big frames that I have, I am using it for the frame of another boat that I'll be building throughout the winter in the garage, a small one. So there'll still be videos, but the Deadrise is, should I say dead for the winter? It's hibernating, and we're going to get to it as soon as we can in the spring, so I can do a complete haul in the spring. So thank you for being with me, thank you for following me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye now.